Welcome back to the Küryakyn Garage. On this episode, I'm going to show you how to install the Küryakyn Sound of Chrome speaker system. Now the first thing that we're going to want to do is mock up the speaker location and set them where you think you're going to want them onto the bars so then we can mount the clamps. Okay, once you have the speakers mounted, it's time to do the wiring. Now Küryakyn has made this really easy with 3 different size plugs, so you literally can't plug this in the wrong way. You've got the one plug from your left side speaker, plugs into your right speaker. You've got the smallest plug that's going to plug into the power harness, which we're going to run to the battery in a minute. And then we've got a 3-pin one, and that's what you're going to plug your iPod or your MP3 player into. Okay, so we've got the speakers mounted and we've got the power wires run down to the battery. I've run the MP3 jack wire right next to the seat here so I can plug it into my iPod and keep it into my pocket. Now the last thing to do is test out the speakers.